pandas playing in the sun, rolling in the bamboos and having so much fun. Come along and sing, let's clap our hands. It's time to meet the pandas in Panda Land. And 5 little pandas went out to play. One climbed a tree and said, "Hooray!" Mama called out, "Come back down." But the panda just laughed and spun around. Pandas, pandas, swinging all day so happily. 4 little pandas splashed in a stream, jumping and playing, it felt like a dream. One said, "I'm wet," and went to dry. The other splashed louder with a panda cry. Pandas, pandas love to play, splashing and laughing all the way. 3 little pandas found a bamboo snack. Crunch, munch, munch, it's a tasty pack. One ate too much and needed a nap. The other said, "Hey, let's give a clap." Pandas, pandas eating away. Bamboo is yummy every day. 2 little pandas marched in a line, swinging their paws, it was just fine. One saw a bird and ran to see. The other shouted, "Hey, follow me." Pandas, pandas marching on, wiggling tails from dusk till dawn. 1 little panda felt sleepy and slow, yawning wide, it was time to go. Mama panda said, "Close your eyes," and all the pandas slept under starry skies. Pandas, pandas snuggled tight, dreaming of adventures through the night. 5 little pandas had their day, now they're resting after so much play. Thank you for joining, wasn't it grand? Come back soon to Panda Land. Pandas, pandas love to play, playing all day so happily.